Hello, my name is Savannah, and I'm going to tell you about the North Carolina Ag-gag Law and have you start thinking about how this law will affect you. Do you eat packaged or processed pork? That would be salami, bacon, hot dogs, pork chops, barbecue. If so, you might be surprised to find out that North Carolina is one of the top producers of hogs in the United States. And recently, a law which is called the Property Protection Act was passed, and it'll begin in January of 2016. Opponents of it call it the Ag-gag Bill, agricultural gag. And this bill goes much broader than just the agricultural industry here in North Carolina. But for today, I'm just going to tell you about how it will affect you as a consumer of pork products. So first, let me tell you how it works. It says it protects property, but it protects property of companies. And so if a company deems that data, records, or documents were taken by an employee and used in a way that harmed their company, they have the right to sue their employee up to $5,000 per day in damages. In addition, they cover audio and video components. So similarly, the large company can sue their employee up to $5,000 per day for recording images or sounds within non-public areas of an employer's property that makes them look bad. So for an example of this would be the undercover video at Smithfield Foods. It's available on YouTube. I found it by doing a search for gestation crates for pigs. And it shows what the type of life for a pregnant pig entails. This video created great awareness among consumers and also is moving in the right direction to improve the welfare of pregnant pigs. So if this law were to be in effect and the employer could sue $5,000 a day to the employee who uploaded this video, and it's been up for 4 years, doing the math, that costs $7 million for an employee to pay. This is outrageous. So, what I'm urging you to do today is to find out how the agricultural gag will affect you as a consumer of pork products. So there's 3 action steps. 1, visit a website led by the carolinafarmstewards.org. And they have great advocacy pieces as well as an article saying don't let North Carolina hide. Oh no, I forget what the article is named, but it's an awesome article, so just look in the advocacy section. Second, to see the references for this video, which I made myself, it's at http://www.savannahbird.com/nc-foodblog.html. And then lastly, search for information about Ag-gag by using the hashtag Ag-gag or the term Ag-gag Law on Facebook to find out more. And just to leave you with a positive note, this law can be struck down. It has happened in Idaho. Idaho had a similar state agricultural gag law that was struck down and deemed unconstitutional. So there is hope. So get out there and find out what you can, and stay tuned for more information about the pork that you eat that primarily comes from North Carolina. Thank you.